Good morning students. In this video we are going to cover density. We are going to learn how density varies from one substance to another of same volume and what is the definition of density, what is its mathematical formula, unit and to calculate the density of a irregular solid. Now we start with the basic concept of density. As we know that the substance is heavier or lighter in mass with the same volume. How it could be possible? Why they behave like that? With the same volume they behave differently within their mass. So to understand this we have to understand what the molecule structure of that atom. As the molecules of a matter will attach with a very strong chemical bonding, then their density will be high, and if they have a weak intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules, then the density will be low of that material or object. Let us see an example. When we go in market to buy something, let us understand it by a simple example. If I have to go in market and buy 1 kg of sugar, so I will ask to a shopkeeper to give it. Then shopkeeper will take the sugar from container and put it on the one side of the weight machine and put a weight on another side of the machine. There we can clearly observe that the weight which is put to calculate the sugar is too small as compared to the quantity or physical appearance of the sugar, which shows that the weight which is used to calculate the sugar is made up of heavier molecules as compared to the molecules of the sugars. Similarly, thing also happens within the liquid also. As we all know that kerosene is much more lighter than water. If we compare the equal amount of or equal volume of the kerosene and water within a container, water gets much heavier as compared to the kerosene. This shows that the material in which matter is packed more densely is heavier than the one in which matter is packed less densely. So the definition of density is density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume. This simply tells how much mass is packed in a unit volume of that substance. Mathematically, it is represented by a Greek letter rho, and its mathematically formula is density is equals to mass divided by volume. And graphically representation will be that density is represented by rho, mass is represented by small m, and volume is represented by capital V. So the mathematically formula is equals to rho is equals to mass upon volume. Now the SI unit of density. The SI unit of mass is kg and the volume is meter cube. Thus the SI unit of density is a combination of that mass upon volume, which is equals to kilogram upon meter cube. In CGS system, the density is measured in gram per centimeter cube. In our book, the density of water is explained. The density of water at 4 degree centigrade is 1000 kilogram meter per cube. So this represents that 1000 kg of water at 4 degree centigrade occupies a volume of 1 meter cube. So it is clear that every substance have its own density. Some important substance density is given in the list 1.3. Now to determine the density of a irregular solid. To find out the volume of a irregular solid of a small stone, we need a measuring cylinder and a stone, thread and water filled within the cylinder. Now we have to take the initial reading of cylinder and then tie a stone with a thread and then completely immerse it into water without touching the walls and the bottom of the cylinder. Now we observe that the level of water arise. Note down the arise water as a final volume and take the difference of final reading and initial reading. The difference shows that the volume occupied by the stone within the water. Now to calculate the density of a stone, we have to use our mathematical formula rho is equals to mass upon volume. Now calculate the mass of a stone by weight machine, and we have already calculated the difference between the volume of cylinder. Put all the calculation within the formula and thus we can calculate the density of a irregular solid. Thank you.